at a peaceful farm in the countryside. A herd of cows has entered the carrot garden and started destroying it. From point X, the monkey rode the tractor toward the carrot garden. Upon arrival, the monkey immediately honked the horn to herd the cows back into the pen. The herd of cows, frightened, dashed back to the pen. But the carrot garden had already been completely destroyed. The monkey thought for a moment and then came up with an idea.
We have so
He and
much
his
work
friends
to
would
do
replant
today,
a new
old
carrot
friend.
garden.
Are you ready to get started?
They set off to begin their work. First, they went to the garage to get the tractor. They carried the sacks of seeds to their friends' homes and invited them to join the work.
Hello?
At the field, the monkey, with the tractor, would plow the carrot garden first. They attached the plow and began the work. The two sections of the garden were quickly plowed up. After that, it was the seed planter's turn.
Hey, you! Come here. Okay.
The monkey quickly poured the sack of seeds into the machine and started to cast.
Okay.
Let's get started. They attached the machine and moved toward the carrot garden. Each row of seeds was sown neatly in straight lines.
Oh my.
Once that round was done, it was the watering machine's turn.
Your turn. Okay.
Every inch of soil was thoroughly watered for the carrots to grow. The field was fully watered. Now they just had to wait for the carrots to grow. The carrots grew rapidly and soon filled both fields. We now have 2 new carrot fields. Next, we need a greenhouse. The monkey called the helicopter to ask for help in bringing it over. The helicopter quickly delivered the fully assembled greenhouse to the monkey. The helicopter quickly arrived and set the greenhouse perfectly into its place. The herd of cows saw the new carrot garden and immediately brightened up, charging to destroy it.
Huh?
But they were stopped by the greenhouse.